The Mediterranean diet is a diet inspired by the eating habits of Greece, southern Italy, and Spain in the 1940s and 1950s. The Mediterranean way of eating is not only delicious, it's also been linked with improved heart health and decreased obesity risk. The concept of the Mediterranean diet is simple: you need to fill your plate with fresh fruits and vegetables, healthy fats, whole grains, legumes and fish, and enjoy moderate amounts of red wine. Numerous studies have now shown that the Mediterranean diet can cause weight loss and help prevent heart attacks, strokes, type 2 diabetes and premature death. So this is all about Mediterranean diet. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. In this channel you will get information about various health related topics. Wishing you good health in your life. Bye.